Hey friends, if you wish to check your graphics card on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, one is the dynamic details and one are the static details. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. The graphics card drivers that are in your system are mentioned here. These are the static details of the graphics card drivers. For the dynamic details, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Sorry, for that, search for Task Manager and open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab, which is the second tab from the top, and then go to GPU 1 and GPU 2. So the details are different for both of the graphics cards, and you can see the temperature and other details of the graphics cards here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.